I'm Suzanne Crompton. I'm Integrated Occupational Therapy Service Lead in Hywel Health Board. So I've got a lead role in the Occupational Therapy Record Keeping Clinical Practice Group. The Occupational Therapy Service is required to adhere to record keeping standards, and our existing audit process was very time consuming and paper driven. We required a lot of preparation, a lot of chasing up. There was a lot of manual inputting onto spreadsheets, and then we had to feed back to the team. The self-audit process was reliant on reminders in team meetings and discussions as part of clinical supervision, but there wasn't any feedback loop or assurance that they were being completed, and the outcomes of the audits were unknown. So I attended a Microsoft hackathon event, and during that event, having listened to how the Centre of Excellence team were helping other people streamline and digitalise departmental systems and processes, our record keeping audit came to mind. So in one of the breakout rooms, I put forward automating our audit process and was then contacted by Nick to explore the idea further. So in my eyes, automating our audit process has been a big success. The annual audit this year only took 1 month compared to other years when it takes about 6 to 9 months to wrap it all up. The pure excitement from myself and the other service leads at having up-to-date service-wide clinical standards data at our fingertips is something else, something we've never had before. And the total time saved across the service equates to 3 whole-time equivalent therapists. So imagine what could be achieved by applying this principle to other paper-driven processes. I also asked some of the rest of the team how they felt about the new audit. And one person said they found it 100% better than the previous paper audits as it was a lot faster. And another person said they found it very simple and much easier to do than on paper, and for them it needed to be quick and simple, and they felt that we'd nailed it. So Nick and Mark have been extremely helpful and easy to work with. I consider myself somewhat of an IT novice, but Mark always had time to explain the back ends of the system so that they made sense to me. Their expertise and knowledge in their field turned our idea into a workable reality, which is something that wouldn't have been possible otherwise. So if it's time, energy and efficiency savings you're after, I'd highly recommend working with the team.